Disable enable an input with jQuery. $input disabled equals true, or $input disabled equals disabled string, which is the standard way, and, conversely, how do you enable a disabled input? jQuery 1.6 Plus. To change the disabled property you should use the .prop function. jQuery 1.5 and below. The .prop function doesn't exist, but .atta does similar. Set the disabled attribute. To enable again, the proper method is to use .remove atta. In any version of jQuery, you can always rely on the actual DOM object and is probably a little faster than the other two options if you are only dealing with one element. Assuming an event handler thus this disabled equals true. The advantage to using the .prop or .atta methods is that you can set the property for a bunch of selected items. Note, in 1.6 there is a remove prop method that sounds a lot like remove atta, but it should not be used on native properties like disabled excerpt from the documentation. Note, do not use this method to remove native properties such as checked, disabled, or selected. This will remove the property completely and, once removed, cannot be added again to element. Use .prop to set these properties to false instead. In fact, I doubt there are many legitimate uses for this method. Boolean props are done in such a way that you should set them to false instead of removing them like their attribute counterparts in 1.5. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.